So my guy, make I tell you something. If you want enter tech as a beginner, the first thing you need to understand be say tech no be one road. But before that one, na me Amospikins the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they with me. Some people they shout learn coding. Some people go say na cybersecurity. Another one go say AI na the future. It's okay. We listen, we don't judge. Before you know wetin dey happen like this, your head don dey load like Windows 7, wey they never update since 2012. So do like this, calm down. Make I give you updates. Tech career get many doors. You fit enter as a software developer. That's like me, people wey dey build apps, website, web applications, software, and etc. etc. You fit still enter as data analyst. This one are the people wey dey use data, dey explain wetin dey happen inside business. I know say I don hear about them many times. So they use things like Excel, SQL, Power BI, even Python, small. And you fit still decide to enter cybersecurity. This one are the people wey dey protect systems. They protect systems from people wey be say their hobby na let me see if this thing can break. You know what I mean, right? Exactly. And you fit still decide say na UI UX design you want enter. This one are the people wey dey make app dey easy and sweet to use. Because if you see some app, then they behave like punishment from village people. So now this one's the first draw the app, draw the user interface, the GUI. I don't know which other name to call them. Like the design, that's why they call them UI UX design. Before they can hand them over to front-end developer to come do that design with code. You understand? And if you still design, say now cloud or DevOps, now you won't do. And this ones are the people where they help applications or software or API or whatever they run well on the server to make sure say e no crash. And if you still even enter product management, technical writing, QA engineer, that's quality assurance, or QA testing, as some people like to call them. If you even be support engineer, and the many things just today. So as a beginner, your first assignment no be to learn everything first. No. Your first assignment is to understand yourself. See the questions where you need to ask yourself. Number one, do I like building things? If your answer na yes, then enter coding. Number two, do I like investigating problems? If you answer yes, then you know what you mean, cybersecurity. Or maybe still QA. Or maybe just ask yourself, which is number three, do I like business and tech together? Then that one, try product management. That business and tech, I think it's supposed to be business and technology, before you go say tech as a whole. So if you like business and technology, of course, product management. Number four, do I like design or user behavior? You don't already know where you did. UI UX design. And if you ask yourself, do I like numbers and decision making? If you answer na yes, then try data analysis. You get some videos what I do last year, many, what they thought say if you get so traits, so character, see where you fit. If you get, go find at the many. I do for almost all the fields of tech. It's funny though, but you go like them. But hear me very well. No career path, I repeat, no miss am. No career path go save you from learning every day. Take it from me, because some of them go run from coding. Say that's why you are. If we check low key, now why you run go back to UI UX? Say maybe they use Figma. If we still check, some of them go say they want data science. There is no field that you think if you just learn once you will stop there. Now lie you. Even if you choose no code, you still need logic. Even if you choose design, you still need problem solving. You see, if you choose cybersecurity, you still need networking. Yes, people don't know say networking is important very well for cybersecurity. You need systems and patience. You see, so no go the reason say tech na one magic money making machine. Okay, oh. Tech na actually skill market. And skill market, no, they ask who motivated you. No. They ask wetin you sabi. I remember somebody asked me, say, tech prophet, wetin make you know this thing like this? Wetin make you sabi this? And they laugh. You never see that video where they ask one guy, say, why you entered social tech? He say, Sakpa. You see that video where they say, Sakpa sat me down. You don't know where they come from. If you know where they come from, they tell you, say, I like hard work. Say, I just like to they write code. I like to not to they sleep. They play. Hey, we listen, we don't judge. So actually, in about waiting you sabi. So start small. Pick one part first. To me, I go say pick that part and stay there. Learn the basics. Build small projects. Document your process. Post what you are learning. Ask questions. I like all those guys where they do am for X where. Then find community. When I notice I never really come out with say see community. I'm working on something. I have a community though. Now my other guy what really among my people who are trained 2022. Now they manage the group now. Maybe some of now they say Niger code party, but I'm working on a what should I call it now? On a platform. Again, one want register for community. They call it GAMS or games. I don't forget the name. One of our guy for X here and I build them. I'm still planning to package my account for there. Then there's something I'm also packaging, a product, free product, of course. Maybe I'll start to document the journey so that it will still help me with this community thing. I see a loophole that I would like to solve. So when I just teach you, some of them would always ask me community. Then you see all this in one list, repeat. When you do all of them, repeat again. Exactly. Keep on repeating it till you become, So no go dey wait till you become expert before you start showing up. Some of us made that mistake. Yes. In fact, for my state where I dey now, I feel tell you, say, apart from where I dey work, before I even start to dey work there, I never meet one fellow developer face to face. No be say they know that there many die, but I think it's me. So, and it's not good to grow in isolation. So just try am. Me, I don't learn the hard way. So no follow that route. Another thing be say your beginner journey fit inspire another beginner wey dey fear. So you go get mind, run the level to continue. You see am? So my advice be this: don't enter tech with pressure. Enter with curiosity, discipline, and small consistency. Yes. Because for tech, the person that learns every day go eventually pass person wey be say in motivation dey only come every January. Definitely. All wetin I dey talk be say I come to tell you say pick one road, start working, and stop to dey download like 47 courses wey you never ever open. Anyways, bye.